Oh, hi guys. It's Friday, June 20th, and I want to work on this CB antenna on this thing, kind of get it off the bumper here so it don't look so gorky, and I want to put it up here on the roof. I got mounting points right here. Let's see. Nope, that's too big. Let's see, that wants to fit. Nope. Crap. That ain't threaded. Because if this is tapped out, methinks I might be able to put a plate up here, and this is the closest bolt that fits. Oh no, I take that back. It was this one. No, it's this one here. It don't have much wiggle room, but I can't see down in here. I can't see down in here to what. See, it just things, it screws in then stops, but you can pull right back out. So we'll go ahead and look underneath the cab once. You can't see nothing up there. Mind you, this thing's still under warranty. I wonder if one of these will fit up in here, or if these are specialty holes or what. Even that don't fit that way. Man, I'd like to be able to get rid of that CB is, but I don't want to go drilling no holes because she's still under warranty. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Well, what kind of idea do we have next? I don't know. Just have to wait and find out, I guess. Let's see if we can come up with something. The scrap iron. See if you guys see what I'm seeing we could use. There it is. Definitely a paint stick here. I'm gonna mark out what I don't need. I'm gonna use this straight edge over here. That should give me no more than enough room for an antenna. Plus be able to bend it right to match that muffler clamp there, if everything's working out the way I think it will. Ooh, I think that's the right blade for that. I was kind of hoping that the bandsaw would be kind of quicker, but we might have to be resorting to medieval times here. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? This cover might do the trick. I don't know. Let me find a wrench. We'll take them screws out right quick. So it's 2 for 2. 2 come out, 2 stuck. So I'm gonna have to get a hammer and punch and try and knock them out. So, apparently. Hang on, I'll be back. I need a bigger punch. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure the antenna stuck to this tin before I went any farther. Well, that's good, it's sticking. And it ain't coming off. I'm gonna try and use this. Yeah, whatever the heck. Saw. Ooh, I'm way off. Crap. Shit. Nope. This is what I'm... Oops. Something like this is what I'm thinking. So, let's go see what it looks like in the machine one. I'm pretty happy. So far. So the holes are drilled. We're gonna put this other screw and nut in, and we'll get it bolted down and see what it looks like up top. I messed up. This is not gonna work because what's gonna keep that up there? So, shoot. Darn it. Ooh. So, if you guys have any ideas, like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, taking one of these bolts out or something and utilizing them, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for more videos. Maybe this will work for what I want to do. I can't get it to stay, so we just won't have CB in the gator no more, so I guess it ain't worth it. All I was trying to do is move that stupid thing, but thanks for watching.